Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Palm Desert, local and long-distance movers near me. With our help, your long-distance move will become so much easier. Whether you're going 100 miles or 2,500 miles away, you get the professional service you need from us. We make moving so much easier no matter how far you need to go. Our team offers basic moving services and so much more. Some of the additional things we offer include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. With the right California moving company, you gain plenty of benefits. Our team will do the heavy lifting and help you save time. With our help, you don't need to recruit family or friends to help with the lifting and packing. We offer the necessary services to ensure your move is done properly. Hiring 3 movers means you get a team ready to work for you. We streamline the process to get you settled into your new home faster. Our team can handle even a large move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palm Desert moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.